da 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 titali 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 da 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 titali 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 da 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 da. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm TaniniPanini again. If you got that intro, if you knew where it's from, please hit the like button. And if you didn't, hit the like button anyway and go look it up because I'm a mess for that. Today we're gonna do a new video, a new kind of video, because I got a new camera for vlogging. The days of vlogging on my iPhone, while it is nice, has decent quality, it's not the best for my needs. So I went and purchased the Canon G7X Mark II, and it came yesterday after 2 days of trying to be delivered, so it shipped pretty fast. I bought it from Tri-State Camera for $5.19, which is a steep discount because it's usually $6.79, $6.80, you know, around that. So I will include the link below to that if you're interested in buying it. It is an international version. I'm 99.99% sure it's an international version, which means it doesn't have the Canon warranty. But if you're okay with that, like I am, doesn't matter because you're getting, like I said, like really big discount. So I'm gonna unbox it. I've been waiting all day and all yesterday night to unbox it. So let's get into it. Okay, so when you first get the box, this is what it comes in. It's all pretty and nice and whatnot. So we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna figure out how to open it up because clearly I can't do anything, right? So you open it up. This is what it looks like. Basic. Comes with the manual. I'm gonna see if you guys can see that. There we go. So that's the manual. I'm gonna put that to the side because I actually read my manuals. Then it comes with a power cord to, I assume, charge it. Not sure what this is for yet. Here is the camera, but we're gonna put that to the side for real quick and see what else we have first. Save the best for last, you know? Here's the wrist strap, which I will actually be using because I'm paranoid about things flying off my wrist and smashing into the ground. Here is the little baby battery. It's so little. I'm not used to Canon batteries being so small. Here is the battery. I have like 2 of these already, but this one is different since it's so small. But I've always had a Canon camera. I don't know what it is. It just always seems to happen. Here's the piece de resistance. Oh my god. Look at it! Nala likes it too. Look at it. It flips up. Completely up so you can see yourself, which is one of the biggest things that drew me to this camera, was that it has a flip screen. You can flip it up or you can flip it down, I guess, if you have it high up and you still want to see what you're filming, which I think is super cool. There's the battery pack, the bottom where the battery pack goes in your hard drive, so we're going to open that up. I'm going to pop my SD card in first, once I figure out how to do it. Then we're going to pop this bad boy open. So much plastic. Oh no, I think it's supposed to be like that. Alright, and then we're gonna pop it in. Lock it closed, there we go. And we're gonna see. Ready? Look at it. Let's set the date and time. So everything is set. This is the camera. This is what it looks like. There is my face. Hello. I'm really excited to see what it's like. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little comparison. I have the iPhone 7 Plus, and we're gonna see how it compares to just the quality and how it compares to my to the Canon G7X Mark II, and let's do that right now. All right, this is fun. Alright, so I have my iPhone and my new Canon camera side by side. Let's see the difference. Just walking around, just how it looks, how it adjusts to the light. Alright, it adjusts pretty well. Let's see now. Are you adjusting? Are you adjusting? It's still gonna take me some time to like figure out how this all works. So if it's not adjusting correctly, it's probably because I don't know what I'm doing yet. I have to read the manual, figure out how to use it. But yeah, it's really nice and clear and just amazing. I love it. I gotta learn to not stare at the lens. I mean at the screen and more at the lens, so it doesn't look I'm looking up the entire time, but that's gonna take some time. But I really like the quality. Oh my god! Who do I think I is? This is amazing. It is touchscreen, if I didn't mention that, so I can't really touch the screen right now because I have two cameras in my hand. So, but yeah, this is definitely better quality. My skin looks nicer. Everything looks clearer and just beautiful. Alright, so that's it for this unboxing video. I am so excited to start vlogging with this new camera. I am been so ready. It's very lightweight. It seems very easy, a lot more portable. I feel like I can do a lot more with this now, a lot more creativity wise, and not have to worry about my phone overheating or killing my battery or wasting up all the space, because I do have, I think, a 128 gigabyte iPhone, but I don't want to use all my space for vlogging videos. So this is really great. I have a 32 gigabyte SD card in here, so get ready for some lit ass vlogs. Am I right? If you like this video, please thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the bell icon down below so you are notified anytime I have a new video out. If you like these kinds of videos, I personally do. I think it's something cool and different, and I am kind of a tech nerd. So if you guys like this video, comment down in the comments below. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see more of. It doesn't even have to be about unboxing videos. It can be anything you want. Just let me know, because this channel is basically to entertain you guys. So I want to entertain. I want to be informative. I want you guys to actually like my content. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you guys with another video very soon.